Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll continue doing these undetermined coefficients. Yeah, by the way, this method, which we explained here, as I said, we'll find the YC for this one. We'll find the roots of the auxiliary equation coming from this. And also we'll find the roots where f of x satisfy homogeneous differential equation with constant coefficients. So I reverse this. I combine all the roots and then I construct a solution using the idea of constructing this general solution concerning the roots with these roots. And then I cancel YC. The remaining will be my YP. This will work with all cases. So let me, we did it with this case. So let me do it with the previous ones. Or let me do it with this one first, then I will go to the previous ones. Okay, just to remind you what we did. Now I need to solve this, the homogeneous. I get what? R squared minus 4 equals 0. So R equal plus or minus 2. So YC will be C1 e to x plus C2 e minus 2x. Okay, so what are the roots? R plus or minus 2. Okay. Now we'll find the roots from here. What are the roots here? 2. The root which wherever fixed satisfying homogeneous equation with constant coefficient. I reverse the process. So what is the new list? The new list will be minus 2, 2, 2. So what is YP hat? C1 e minus 2x plus C2 e to x plus C3 x e to x. Now what will be YP? Cancel YC. This and this. These are the YC. I cancel them here. So that give me YP, which is AX e to x. Okay, now we need to find A the same way. Now I have YP, I have the form of YP. This is the form of YP. I need to find A. So it will be YP prime, have product of two functions, A e to x plus 2A x e to x. What is YP double prime? That will be 2A e to x plus 2A e to x plus 4A x e to x. Product of two functions. We need to do it. Okay. So I multiply this is by 1, this by 0, this is my minus 4. So I need to substitute. This is call it 1. Substitute in 1. We'll get what? This is 2A, that's 4A, A to x plus 4AX e to x. This is 0, multiply minus 4 of this one, minus 4AX e to x should satisfy. This is 2e to x. So this is cancelled. It means I have 4A is equal to 2, so A equal half. So my YP will be what? Half x e to x, which is this one. And my general solution for 1 is not asked for it in this way, but I can get it yc plus yb, which is c1 e to x. Okay. Now, the point is this method also would work with the first case where I don't have duplication. It's the same thing. The first 3 or 4 examples, how many examples we did? 1, 2, 3, 4 examples. This method will work. Let us see what will happen. Just I will deal with the form of YP. I will not do it. So if we solve this, we get what? R square. I solved the homogeneous one, huh? Homogeneous. I get R square minus 5R plus 4, which is R minus 4 times R minus 1 equals 0. So YC, what are the roots? Roots 1 and 4. YC, C1 e to the power x plus C2 e to the power 4x. What are the roots coming from here? I have x, so that's 2 e to the power 0x and x e to the power 0x. I have 0 2 times. So what is my new list of roots? It will be 0, 0, 1, and 4. So what is yp hat? Will be c1 plus c2x plus c3 e to the power x plus c4 e to the power 4x. Now I cancel yc. I cancel yc. Notice there is no duplication. Huh? These roots, this is what they mean, no duplication. No duplication. The roots will not make a difference. I mean, there is no duplication with the roots. In this case, we have a duplication because this is plus or minus 2, and this is 2. So there is duplication of 2. This is what they mean by the case of duplication. So it will be yp a plus px, which is the same like what we did. This is my yp. Ax plus b or a plus bx is the same idea. Now let me do the other ones. Let me do them quickly. This one, no, not this one. Where did I put it? This one's keep. Yeah, I need 2 more. I need 1 more. Okay. So let me do this ones. Only finding yb. So what was the equation? This we did. 8x squared. Same differential equation, which is y double prime minus 5y prime plus 4y 8x squared. So roots here 1 and 4, and I need yc also. Roots from here, what give me x squared? 0, 0, 0. So the new list, we're very clear, there's no duplication. No duplication of the roots. New list of roots, I have 1, 4, 0, 0, 0. What is yb hat? C1 plus C3 plus C4 x plus C5 x squared. What is my yp? This is cancelled. So I have a plus bx plus cx squared. Then I need to find ABC. But just I want to show you this method also it will work with the other case. And this is my yp, which is the same. Now we'll go to the next one. Y double prime minus 4y equal 2 or 3, I think. I'm not sure. Let me bring the same thing. That will not make a difference, but just to be sure, I have the same problem. 2e to the power 3x. What are the roots here? I have r squared minus 4, minus 2 and 2. yc, c1. What are the roots coming from here? 3. So the new list will be what? Minus 2, 2, 3. Where's the no duplication? Yb hat will be c1 plus c2 plus c3. I cancel this. So my yp is 3x, which is the same. Just to tell you, this method also it will work with this case, which is the same yp. Okay, also with the case of cosine, which is here, what will be? Just to save time, what was the root? What were the roots are? What? Minus 1, 2 over 3. These were the roots to save time. Roots from here. Roots are minus 1 and 2 over 3. Okay, is it? 2 over 3 or 3 over 2? 2 over 3, good. So I have yc, c1 is minus x, plus c2 e to the power 2 over 3x. What is the root here? Be careful now. If I have sine or cosine, I need plus or minus I. Cosine, if cosine is there, means sine is there. So I need plus or minus I. So what is the new list of roots? It will be minus 1, 2 over 3, plus or minus I. Yp hat, c1 is minus x. Cosine x. So what is my yp? I cancel this, cancel this. There is no, very clear, there is no duplication. Huh? Nothing to worry about. So I have y is a cosine x plus b sine x. Then I need to find a and b, like what we did here. Yeah. So this new method, or this method, will work with all cases. So I think this is what I will do in the previous, in the next examples. Okay. Find the particular solution, then I will do these ones. We'll check, is there duplication or nothing? Or no? Okay. Let me do it. First, I solve the non-homogeneous, the homogeneous, I mean. So I have what? R cubed plus R squared, which is R squared, R plus 1 equals 0. So what are the roots? 0, 0, and minus 1. Okay. Yeah. And from here, what are the roots? This one give me 1, and this one give me 0 3 times. I cannot reach x squared unless I'm reaching 0 3 times. By the way, what is yc? Very clear, I have duplication. So what is the new list of roots? I have what? Minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 5 times. I combine this with this. Make it a new list. Then what is yb hat? I solve this like if I have a general solution. C1 is minus x plus C2 e to the power x plus C3 plus C4x plus C5x squared plus C6x cubed. How many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need one more. C7x to the power 4. Now I cancel yc. So I cancel this one. So I cancel this one, I cancel this and this, which is these two. So my yp will be what? A e to the power x plus b x square plus c x cubed plus dx to the power 4. Now I need to find a, b, c, d. I need y triple prime. Okay, so I have yb prime. That will be a e to the power x plus 2bx plus 3cx squared plus 4dx cubed. Yb double prime. That will be ax plus 2b plus 6c. Is it? Yeah. Plus 12dx squared. Yb triple prime. Ax plus, this is x, is the, yeah, 6cx. Huh? That will be plus 6c plus 24 dx. Okay. These are what? This is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1. So substitute it there. Substitute it in this equation in 1. Substitute in 1. To get what? Yb triple prime plus yb double prime. That is what? Yeah, let me give it more space because I think it will. That will be ax plus 6c plus 24 dx plus ax plus 2b plus 6cx plus 12 dx square. That should equal to 4x squared. That should be equal to 4x squared. So now I need to check the coefficient of e to the power x. Not only 4x squared, sorry. That should equal 3e to the power x plus 4x squared, which is the right-hand side. Okay. Now I need to check the coefficient. What are the ones which I need to check the coefficient? E to the power x. I need e to the power x, x squared, x1. So e to the power x comes from where? This plus this, so we have 2a should equal to 3. So a equals 3 over 2. That make it easy. Okay. Now x squared, what I have in x squared? I have only this. So I have 12d equal 4. So d equal 1 over 3. Okay. Coefficient of x. What I have coefficient of x? I have this 24d plus 6c. 24d plus 6c. And that should equal what? 0, because I don't have x here. This is like plus 0x plus 0 times 1. Huh? I have, this is 24 times 1, that will be 8. So c will be minus 8 over 6, which is minus 4 over 3. Now the constant, I have 6c plus 2b. And that should equal to 0. So I have minus 4 over 3 times 6 minus 24 over 3. That is minus 8c plus 2b equals 0. I already multiply minus 6 times minus 4 over 3. This is minus 24 over 3. That is minus 8. So b equal 4. So what is yp? Yp will be what? A is what? 3 over 2 e to the power x. Bx squared, 4x squared. C is what? Minus 4 over 3x cubed. And D is 3 over 2. D, no, 1 over 3. X, which is this? Another example. Now we need to work it out. Either we have duplication, no duplication. I think we can work all of these problems. Yes. Okay. Let me do the next one. Same thing. I solve the homogeneous first. So I have what? R squared plus 4 equals 0. So I have R equal plus or minus 2i. So y will be C1 cosine 2x plus C2 sine 2x. What give me x cubed? The zeros. I have 0 4 times. Because I will not reach x cubed unless I have 1 x squared, x cubed. So that'll give me 4 zeros. So what is the new list? Actually, there is no duplication, so I can work out this one. But since I'm doing it, plus or minus 2i, 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is my yb hat? It will be C1 cosine 2x plus C2 sine 2x plus C3 plus C4x plus C5x squared plus C6x cubed. I don't have duplication. What is my yp? I will cancel this. Cancel yc. Cancel this and this. So you have a plus bx plus cx squared plus dx cubed. Yeah, I need what? I need y double prime, so I need yp prime, that will be b plus 2cx plus 3dx squared, yb double prime, that will be 2c plus 6dx. Substitute in 1, I have what? This is 1, this is 0, this is 4. So I have 2c plus 6dx plus 4a plus 4bx plus 4cx squared plus 4dx cubed, that equals 3x cubed. So I need to check the coefficient of x cubed, x squared, x1. X cubed I have what? 4d is equal to 3. So d equals 3 over 4. For x squared I have what? I have 4c. No x squared on the other side, that's equal to 0. So c equals 0. Coefficient of x, I have what? 6d plus 4b. Correct? Yeah. 6d plus 4b. And d is 3 over 4. So that 18 over 4. 18 over 4, which is 9 over 2, plus 4b equals 0. So 4b equal minus 9 over 2. So b equal minus 9 over 8. Coefficient of x, I have 2c plus 4a. And that should equal to 0. C is 0. So I have 4a equals 0. So a equals 0. So what is my yp? My yp will be what? A, which is 0. B times x minus 9 over 8x. C 0. D is 3 over 4. X cubed, which is this. Yeah. Sometimes he doesn't want you to find a d's constant, but he wants you to find the general form of the particular solution. Okay. So I will do these ones first. I have what? R cubed plus 9r 0. So I have r squared plus 9 equals 0. So I have what? R will be 0 plus or minus 3i. And what is yc? C1 plus C2 cosine 3x plus C3 sine 3x. Okay. What are the roots coming from here? I have x sine x. It means I have sine x, cosine x, x sine x, x cosine x. Means I have plus or minus I repeated. Because of sine x, I have plus or minus I. And since I have x, there is a repetition. Here I have what? 2 repeated 3 times. There is no duplication. So I can use this list, or no, there is no duplication, just use this list. That's it. We'll give you YP right away. But since I'm doing it in general, now what I have, the new list, I have 0 plus or minus 3i plus or minus I plus or minus I 2, 2, 2. So YP hat will be C1 plus C2 cosine 3x, which I will cancel, but just for complication, for completeness, I want to do the same procedure. Now I have, this is plus or minus, so I have C4 cosine x plus C5 sine x. Because there's a repetition, I need x cosine x, x sine x. Are we done? No. I now have this repeated 3 times, plus C8 e to x, plus C9 x e to x, plus C10 x squared e to x. Now I cancel YC, which is this. What is my Y? The 4. It will be A cosine x plus B sine x plus CX cosine x plus DX sine x plus E to x plus Fx e to x plus Gx squared e to x, which is this one. Yeah, I think the idea is very clear. Determine the appropriate form for this particular solution. I want to find the appropriate form for this particular solution. Okay, what I will do, the same thing. I need to solve this. So I have r squared plus 6r plus 13 equals 0, which is what? R equal minus 6 plus the square root 36 minus 52 over 2. That give me what? This is 16. That give me minus 3 plus or minus 2i. Give me minus 6. Let's do it instead. Plus 4i over 2. That is minus 3 plus or minus 2. And what is YC? C1 is minus 3x cosine 2x plus C2 is minus 3x sine 2x. Now, what is the zeros from here? This is alpha, this is beta. So it's minus 3 plus or minus 2i. So what is my new list of zeros, of roots? On zeros, I have this repeated 2 times. So what is YB hat? Will be C1 is minus 3x cosine 2x plus C2 is minus 3x sine 2x plus C3 x is minus 3x cosine 2x plus C4 x is minus 3x sine 2x. Now what is YP? I will cancel YC, which is this and this. So I have YB equal AX A minus 3x cosine 2x plus BX is minus 3x sine 2x, which is this one. Yeah. Determine appropriate form. Yeah. Let me check what we have. Okay. I need to solve this. Easy ones. d minus 2 cubed d squared plus 9 y equals 0. The homogeneous. What are the roots? 2, 3 times plus or minus 3i. Okay. Now, what is the yc? c1 e to x plus c2x e to x plus c3x squared e to x. And this one give me what? C4 cosine 3x plus C5 sine 3x. Okay. What are the zeros coming from here? Be careful. I have this, so I have 2, 2, 2. When I have x squared, means I have times 1 times x squared. I have 3 zeros, 3 twos, 3, yeah, 3 roots of 2. But 2 multiplied 3. I have x sine 3x, so I have plus or minus 3i 2 times because of the x. Now, what will be my new list? Yeah, it will be 2 6 times. Wow. Okay. And plus or minus 3i 3 times. So what is my yp hat? Be careful. I have c1 e to x plus c2x e to x plus c3x squared e to x. I have I need 3 more. c4x cubed plus c5 x to the power 4 plus c6. Are we done now? I need now plus or minus 3i, which is plus c7 cosine x plus c8 cosine, 3x should be, plus c7 cosine 3x plus c8 sine 3x plus c9x cosine 3x plus c10x sine 3x plus c11x cosine x cosine 3x square plus c12x squared sine 3x. That's my b hat. As I said, this is a procedure we need to follow. So cancel yc. This is this one, this one. Then I need cosine, this one, and this one. Now the remaining is yp. Yp will be what? I have ax cubed e to x plus bx to the power 4 e to x plus cx to the power, this is 5 e to x. Then I have dx cosine 3x e x sine 3x plus f x squared cosine 3x plus g x squared sine 3x, which is this. Then I have with cosine and x squared and x squared with sine. So this is my answer.